Hey, welcome back to your Precision Data Analytics channel this evening. Tonight we take a look at the Vanguard, what's it called, the Total International Stock Fund ETF. ETF is what is a fund of funds, right? So anyway, this stock is always a little more volatile than the growth fund. So of course, as always, standard disclaimer applies. This video is for educational purposes only. It shall be used to make financial, investment, or trading decisions. Let's jump right in. We always look at the 100-day moving average, looking for the price to stay above there. We're looking at this for the first time since at least October, even further than that, I'm sure. We're actually a little bit below the 100 moving average, okay? But fortunately, we're long-term investors, so we're not going to worry about it. It also kissed the line back here also, so we'll see what happens, okay? MACD, look at all these negative histogram bars here, my goodness. First and last close of the month, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row where the last closing price was higher than the first closing price. Now we got some ground to make over the next, 10 to 12 days, don't we? Because right now, the first closing price is lower than the last closing price. What about the forecast? Basically, what it tells us is the same story. ARIMA is the best of the three. But basically, ARIMA says, yeah, we're going to see a little bit of increase over here. The cone is also, the confidence interval is also a little narrower, but nothing really crazy. So let's say there's going to be some recovery here. But what about if we invested? What about the cumulative returns right now? So I got in, I think about over here maybe, April or May, okay? And then we came back all the way back up, and we're still well ahead of the 2024, but we are down a little bit, okay? What about $10,000 investment? You can see we are down from about 15,500 down to below 15,000 again, okay? But still well ahead of the 2024 number, right? Drawdown, I believe if I understand this properly, is that the zero represents new highs. You saw a bit of a drawdown here, a little bit of now we're over here. But hopefully this is temporary. The market will make some adjustments to the financial markets in America. We'll get back on the plus side for these ETF funds. Okay.